Many people don't know whether to stir-fry the shrimp or the eggs first when making shrimp and egg stir-fry. Today, I will share the correct method with everyone. First, we need to prepare shrimp. Now, let's clean the shrimp. When cleaning the shrimp, you can gently squeeze it like I'm doing here. Then, slowly pull out the shrimp line. Separate the shrimp head from the shrimp meat. Don't waste the shrimp head, you can use it to make shrimp oil. Now, let's start peeling the shrimp. How can we completely peel the shrimp meat? Let me share a little trick with you. This method is not only simple but also practical. First, put the shrimp in a bag. Then, tie the bag tightly. This prevents the shrimp from losing moisture. Put the bag of shrimp in the freezer and freeze it for an hour. While freezing the shrimp, prepare a bowl and crack 5 eggs into it. Add a spoonful of salt to the bowl. Then use chopsticks to mix the eggs evenly. Stir until the eggs are well mixed and set them aside. Prepare some green onions and place the chopped green onions in a plate for later use. After an hour has passed, the shrimp is now completely frozen. You can see that the shrimp is not too hard after freezing for an hour, and the taste won't be affected. Now, let's start peeling all the shrimp meat. First, gently pinch the shrimp tail. Then slowly pull out the shrimp meat. This way, you'll get a whole piece of shrimp meat. Let me demonstrate it again. Place the peeled shrimp meat in a small bowl. Then, pour some water into the bowl with the shrimp meat. Wash the shrimp meat in the water. Then, drain the water and transfer the shrimp meat to another bowl. Add a spoonful of salt to the bowl. Add a spoonful of black pepper. Then add a spoonful of starch. Use your hands to mix the shrimp meat. Keep mixing until the surface of the shrimp meat becomes sticky. Prepare a pot and add some water. Then turn on the heat and heat the water in the pot. When the water in the pot is at a state of small bubbles, not yet boiling, add the shrimp meat one by one. You don't need to wait for the water to boil completely before adding the shrimp meat. At this point, the shrimp meat is already fully formed. Now the shrimp meat is completely set. Drain the shrimp meat from the pot and set it aside. Next, mix the shrimp meat with the egg mixture and chopped green onions. Now, we put the mixed egg and shrimp meat into a hot pan with cooking oil. Prepare a hot pan. Add some cooking oil. Then pour in the mixed egg and shrimp meat. When the egg is set, quickly flip the egg. At this point, the shrimp meat is mostly cooked. So, we don't need to stir-fry for too long. Try to keep the egg pieces larger. If they are too small, it will affect the texture. Now, a delicious and tender shrimp and egg stir-fry is ready. If you've learned from this, please like, bookmark, and share with your friends. Thank you all for watching.